Are you looking for the best benchtop drill presses in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best benchtop drill presses that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WEN 4214 12-inch variable speed drill press. WEN often makes our lists, but it's usually because their product is innovative, low-priced, and multifunctional rather than because they rival bigger brands in quality. However, in this case the WEN 4214 delivers with an excellent benchtop drill press that's sized perfectly for even the smallest workshop. This one is priced just about right for those who are working on smaller projects at home. The overall build quality was surprisingly good, but it was the infinite variable speed control that sealed the deal for us. By being able to slow down and speed up the drill on a smooth basis, we could find the sweet spot for any material within a few cuts. We actually found that it was remarkably smooth as well. Perhaps not as buttery as the more expensive picks, but there were no issues with chattering or sticking points while the press was being lowered. Up next in the 4th place is the Nova 58000 Voyager DVR drill press. While the Nova 58000 is extremely expensive compared to our other picks, we felt it deserved a spot as the professional variation which some people find themselves looking for. And make no mistake, if high quality is what you're after no matter the cost, then you'll find that this one is right up your alley. While many of the presses we looked at had some basic electronic controls, only the Nova really seemed to go above and beyond. It maintains the same speed while going through things, has an excellent little LCD readout display with vital information, and gives you a constant stream of information while it's operating. Overall, it's hard to even compare it to the others on our list. Calling it well-built is a bit of an understatement, and the higher horsepower compared to most rendered it capable of making short work of everything that we threw down under the bit. The only real problem: it's expensive. At the time of this writing, we're not talking about a bit more expensive. This one is a bank breaker for most people. The 3rd product on our list is the DeWalt DWE1622K 2-speed magnetic drill press. There are some limiting features with this one, but it's definitely worth the mention for those who need a small, portable press to take with them on the job site. This press is designed to sit on the surface it's being used to drill, which makes it handy to fit in a case but also means that it lacks a table. Our biggest concern was that it's only a 2-speed drill. The lower RPMs make this one mostly suitable for metal, although we were still able to punch holes in 2x4s without any issues. The high horsepower added some torque which made putting bits through sheet aluminum and steel a complete snap. So, this one's a bit of a different beast compared to most, and the higher price is probably only worth it if you're a professional and need something portable to take to work with you. It even comes with a magnetic coolant bottle so you can keep your workpiece within reasonable temperatures without needing to buy accessories. Second on our list is the Shop Fox W668 3/4 HP 13-inch benchtop drill press. If extra quality is your get-down but you're not planning on refinancing your home in order to finance the purchase of the Nova 58000, you should take a closer look at the Shop Fox W668. It's a high-end benchtop drill press, but the price is reasonable enough that most people can find it in their budgets if they need a top-notch press. The motor has a considerable amount of power, and the variable speed controls were the smoothest out of the ones we tested except for the Nova. It's super smooth operating, punches through everything we threw at it easily enough, and also has an articulated table to allow for easy holes at differing angles. That last little bit almost made it our top pick, but we felt the price differential compared to most hobbyist use made it a bit iffy as our recommended pick for home. Overall, it's a solid press with few flaws at a decent price. It's not the cheapest, and the extra features may not be necessary for those who are just making simple wood joinery or punching straight holes, but for those who need them, it's hard to find anything better. Finally, the top product on our list is the Skill 6.2 amp 10-in 5-speed benchtop drill press. Compared to the others on our list, the Skill 3320-01 is really nothing to write home about. It's solid, it does a good job on wood, and is passable for thin metals. It also has a 5-speed control instead of the variable controls that we like much more. So, in the end, it's not the best drill press for around the home by any means. It's the only one which made our list that had any shakiness issues that we feel keeps it from being proper machining. It's a bit underpowered, and it generally isn't up to par with the rest of our favorites. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.